What if you could change the world with understanding? Today, we dive into a complex issue: the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. This conflict divides nations and impacts millions of lives. Let's explore the main aspects and seek solutions together. First, the international community is split. Some nations firmly support Israel's right to defend itself. Others advocate for protecting Palestinian civilians and ceasefires. Organizations like the United Nations mediate peace efforts. Next, upheaval remains within Israel itself. Political debates surge over national security and settlements. Relations with neighboring countries also complicate matters. On the Palestinian side, factions face turmoil for unified leadership. One critical issue is Israeli settlements in the West Bank. These settlements are deemed illegal by international law. However, Israel disputes this claim, leading to heightened tensions. Such expansions hinder hopes for a two-state solution. Despite these challenges, hope lingers. Many Israelis and Palestinians yearn for peace and justice. Grassroots movements strive to bridge divides each day. Activists and ordinary people seek a future free from violence. To summarize, the road to peace is fraught with challenges, but understanding, empathy, and informed dialogue are essential. As global citizens, we must remain informed and compassionate. Join us on this journey for peace. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's continue to explore these important stories from around the world. Remember, pray for peace, support justice, and stay informed.